Well, sometimes bad ideas turn out to be good ideas. Welcome back. This is a little bit about behind the scenes. You guys want to see the tire that blew my back out last year? Right there. That thing weighs probably 100 and some pounds. And it didn't help that I was at an angle trying to fish it out of its little holder there and reached over at an angle. I had a feeling too. I should have trusted my gut feeling, but I didn't listen. I paid for it all winter, and I figure, well, let's let her calm down a little bit, give it a chance to heal up. And well, another thing too, I talked to my rheumatologist, and he said that if you're gonna feel better, he said, push yourself, man, take her to the limit. So bringing you guys another piss poor production, big block Chevy powered junk, trash, garbage. I didn't have the heart to destroy those old tires, but let's see if this old girl will light off. Hasn't ran since last year, so it might take a little bit to start, or she might go. I see there's a tiny bit of fuel in the filter, which is a good sign. But I guarantee the carb is drier than a popcorn fart. Oh, look at that wood grain dash, man. Dang. Oh, I see the squirrels are eating good. How you doing, boys? You getting enough greens? Oh, yeah, look at that. Whew, where are you getting that stuff? Make me some bread, boys. Come on. Let's see what happens. You want to just pump the crap out of it from sitting. Come on, baby. What do you got? What do you got? Are you a Chevy or a Ford? Or a Dodge? Oh, you didn't like that, did you? Oh, she didn't like that one bit. Ford or Dodge. It's about to get serious, boys. Old starter light. You want a burp? Not bad for having run in a year. Since I blew the rear end, I did actually. Check the old videos. Have a good laugh. Huh. Well, see you guys in the show. Alright, thought I'd give you guys a little behind the scenes footage here. A little bit of the preparations to get this done. We brought together some trailers, blocks, wood, screws. A little bit of asphalt in there too. Come together right now over my rear end. Oh, I'm just joking. Don't know. We gotta pull this rear shaft because this rear end is hurting. It's been pounded out, wallered out, bored, stroked. She's hurting you, kind of like her owner. Anyway, I'll get back at you here. One more preparation just so shit don't catch on fire. I don't think you guys are ready for what's about to happen. Where's my hair? Oh. Gotta look good for camera. You guys have no idea what I had to do this for you guys. So enjoy. I don't think you guys understand the kind of crap I went through to bring you this. Ooh, she's anchored. There's my... Oh, okay, boys. Holy moly! Must be that new Canadian disappearing technology. Where's the sky? Where's everybody? Jesus, Murphy. Oh, she slid right off the trailer. I would have blew them out for you boys, but that's what you got. Huh? Oh, let's check the meats. Woo! Still pulling like a kitten. Woo. Look at a custom exhaust. I wonder if she'll get back on the trailer. Nope. And this has been another piss poor production.